Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. So if you subscribe to my channel and you have seen my videos before, you will notice that this is not my normal hair color. I do have on a wig, and if you haven't seen my I bought 12 wigs from Amazon so you don't have to video, I will leave a link to that video in the description below. I promised myself that I was actually going to start wearing these wigs out in public, and then COVID happened, so I never really had a chance to actually go out and wear them. So why not get dressed up to go to IKEA? I mean, it's the only place I have to get dressed up to go to anymore. It's like IKEA, the grocery store, and Walmart. That's okay, because before the pandemic, those were the only 3 places I went anyway. So today I just actually have to return something to IKEA, but I thought that I would do a quick walkthrough, and if there's anything really cool and new for the fall or winter seasons, I thought that I would film it for you because you guys really like those videos. And I guess it's especially relevant now since not many people have access to IKEA and whether or not you should go. So don't worry, I got you. Just stay tuned and we will do another walkthrough. Without further ado, let's go shopping. This looks so much better in person than it does sitting there, and I really, really want this so bad. If I didn't already have furniture on my patio, I would definitely get that. Who are these people? Like, who are they? What, did they just get them off the internet? I like how they have these things hanging on them though. This is awesome. I love this. Look at this. This is so cool. Oh, they have it all set up like a little wedding. This is so cute. So they're saying that this is new, and this, if you put a little like thick cushion on top of here, this is so perfect as like an entryway or like a mudroom little place to sit down, put your shoes and stuff on, or drop your purse. This is so cute. I cannot believe it's only $100, and yeah, it looks awesome. By the way, guys, I just got these glass jars, and they are hands down the best thing to keep your food from going stale. I have Cheerios in there for like months, and they are still just as good as if I would have opened it yesterday, so highly recommend these. I actually think I might grab some more while I'm here. I like this idea though. You can get those and put them on top. So I think that's a really, really great idea to make like your own little awning. This room has been the same for like literally 2 years. I think this is on like every single one of my videos.
Let's go.
I like this wallpaper. It's so cool. I like how they tell you. They tell you what the wallpaper is if you want to go get it, and they'll tell you all the paint color too.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. Your love was cold, heart made of stone, but I'm just fine. I'm gonna shine. I'm alright, alright, alright. I'm celebrating my liberation. I'm moving strong, I'm moving on. I'm alright, alright, alright. Might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes. Tables turn and you're on your own. When I
a little light for the dog bed on the floor. That's adorable. And a little photo. That is adorable. Love it. I think that the mom dressers are always a really good find. I can't believe that they're only $70. When I used to buy them a long time ago, they used to be way more expensive than that. That's $79, and this little side table is $79. By the way, who said that it is okay to charge outrageous prices for little side tables? And then normally you have to buy 2 of them. So we need to like put a stop to that. Can I like put my petition in? Can we all sign it? Yeah, that's my 2 cents about the side table situation. Oh, hey IKEA, look at this. This stuff's all new. First off, their closet stuff is amazing, but look what we have back here. These double sinks with the tile in the back and the 2 round mirrors. This looks so good. This does not look like it's IKEA at all. Then we come into this bedroom. Let me just walk around here. Oh, this lamp's cool. Oh, this one looks really cool. Yes, look at this. Look at the tiles. I love that, like, this is a mood. I love these lights outside. That looks so cool. I love this like closet space turned little work nook. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Until next time.